The overall development here at Centre Parcs consists of three main phases. You have the infrastructure, the centre buildings and the lodges. So here we're standing at the minute in the centre building site, which consists of 400 acres of woodland, and dotted around in that woodland is the lodges. And you can see here behind me one example of these lodges. So in total there's 466 timber frame lodges to be built. We started the project in January of 2018 and we're currently about 15% through the project. To deliver these 466 lodges in 70 weeks requires an output of 3 lodges per day. This efficiency requires methodical thinking by our teams and by our supply chain. The key to this and the key to efficiency and keeping on programme on this fast-track project is utilising our experienced staff, our high-performing team in CISC with our supply chain and collaborating through technology and through processes to make sure that we constantly keep on track, keep a high quality, keep our sites safe. An example of what we do here in Centre Parcs is we utilise building information modelling, 4D construction sequencing, lean construction principles, all together with our people to be able to continuously innovate and improve the way we deliver the project. An example of these lean principles is particularly with the timber frame package. There's 466 timber frames to be built, 177 are now constructed and installed on site, and these all have been delivered and manufactured off-site, delivered to site in panels and trusses and erected on site using mobile cranes. So what building information modelling allowed us to do was to coordinate these timber frame structures with our services, with our follow-on trades and manufacture off-site and assemble in kit format. The other key part of this project is managing materials. We've huge quantities of materials. For example, we've 3,200 windows, we've 4,000 doors, we've huge quantities of timber, cladding, roof tiles, concrete and internal finishes. So all these materials have to be procured at the right time, delivered to site at the right time and in the right quantity. So again we amalgamate a manufacturing process thoughts, amalgamate with our construction experience, and this gives us the opportunities to be as lean as possible, be as efficient as possible and create an environment for our teams for success for the project. An example of these lean processes we use is just-in-time delivery, as I mentioned, kitting, work sampling, engineering process development, and each of these we look at each material, how it's brought to site, how it can be stored and how it can be installed in the most efficient manner. The kitting process is ideal for repetition. We've a lot of repetition due to the uniqueness of the project. We have repetition in terms of the materials and in terms of the sizes of the components. So this gives us an opportunity to kit much of the material. And what this involves is knowing the right quantity for each lodge, whether it be mechanical, electrical or fit-out packages, getting this bagged, boxed or palleted and getting delivered to the location at the right time. So this eliminates all waste and creates a really clean environment for the project to be delivered successfully. The other key driver in a project like this is the collaboration between both CISC, the client and our supply chain. We have long-term relationships with our supply chain. Much of this is local within the Midlands and much of it is within the regions of Ireland. So we utilise this supply chain. We work with our client Centre Parcs to make sure that we have the ingredients for success for the whole job.